блін, який кавун кращий? Думаешь, застыть? Надеюсь. Угу. Вкусно? Вкусно?
Stay the night with me in the dreamiest all pink hidden gem suite in Las Vegas. Tonight we are at the El Cortez. We're staying in the Jackie Gone penthouse suite. And look how cute this bathroom is. I'll show you more of it later. So you enter the suite, which used to be the owner's suite, and you ring this doorbell. They are watching us. I'm letting myself in anyway. You can see Jackie Gone's initials are on the door. We are going to let ourselves in. And look at how pink vaporwave 80s mauve madness this is. I love it. You know, I'm going to make another video that's just visuals with that. You know that song I'm talking about? Yeah, that's the one I'm going to use. Anyway, I just think this suite is so dreamy. I'm going to do a photo shoot here because how can you not? This is where they hide the entertainment system. So cute. I love vintage decanters, by the way, and they have some cute ones here. Oh, look at this bar. I'm going to wear an 80s power suit with shoulder pads and just sit here drinking a martini and look fabulous. I love how the stratosphere is just perfectly framed in every window and patio door. And this suite is huge. It's almost 3,000 square feet. Look at all this vintage controllery. Please don't ever change this. I love it. And look at this phone intercom system. I don't know what this is. Is this like FaceTime in the 80s? I don't know what we're doing here, but it's fascinating. This is one of the bedrooms. It's like a green dream. And I have to take you into the beautiful vintage bathrooms. And I have to show you the etched glass on the shower. You'll see the etched glass in this suite is so wild. I'm obsessed with it. Anyway, I'm going to take you to the next room. Oh, it's so cute. All the pink and the green. You know, I love pink and green. This room is like a 70s pillowy lounge. It's so cute.